this video, I'm going to show you one more accessibility feature called the sticky key function. The sticky key function is when you need to hold down various keys at the same time. And for some students, being able to coordinate both hands and be able to press down on two keys at the same time is very difficult. So this way you can press down on the keys, not in tandem, but sequentially one at a time. So to do that, of course, we're going back to our accessibility. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to enable sticky keys. Okay, so now if I wanted to use sticky keys, and let me just type some text. Typing seems to be an issue. All right, so if I wanted to make this C capital, what I could do here is select it, that C, and I could select the shift first and then the C. So you saw in the upper left-hand corner, I did get a little message. So maybe I'm going to want to paste this word classroom. So I'm going to use the control. And you see that up here in the left-hand corner, I have something that says I've already pressed the control, and I'm going to press the C. So now I've copied that, and I'm going to press the control. Again, I see it, and V, and there's my word. So think about those students that you have where the motor is so difficult and those two-finger or two-key shortcuts are quite difficult. So that's one way to get around it and enable sticky keys for those.